Introducing our latest technology, Asbara. Asbara is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy to eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. It allows you to grow anywhere, anytime, anything easily without soil. Our innovative technologies include adjustable LED grow light that caters to the needs of your plants at different growth stages. Automatic watering system that water your plants when needed and creates a natural water flow. Also, built-in smart sensors monitor, detect, report, and record growth conditions in the system. It comes with an Asbara app, a community platform for support. Connect your smart grower with our app. You can monitor how your plants are doing and control different settings. In just 30 days, you can harvest your vegetables and herbs. Asbara is a simple and easy way to eat fresh and healthy foods while bonding and sharing with others. Select from our large varieties of seed capsules. We guarantee a 100% germination rate. No matter you are a planting beginner, a master chef wannabe, someone who enjoys healthy eating, or you care so much about your family. Asbara is what you need. Time to start a healthy lifestyle. Beckett's now on Kickstarter.
Hi, I'm Joe Jones, inventor of Turtle. 15 years ago, I created Roomba, a small, user-friendly robot that cleans home floors all by itself. Since Roomba's amazing success, I've been looking for opportunities for other practical robots. I found a great one in the garden. It's called Turtle. Turtle is a robot that eliminates weeds. It's solar-powered, chemical-free, and waterproof. Every day it charges itself in the sun, and when it has enough energy, it goes patrolling for weeds.
My name's Rory McKean. I'm the CEO of Franklin Robotics.
Turtle uses the height of the plant to decide if it's good or if it's bad. If it's taller than an inch, it leaves it alone. If it's smaller than an inch, it cuts it. Turtle has two methods of removing weeds. The first is a small nylon string on the bottom of the robot that spins rapidly to cut the weeds. The second is the design of the wheels. As the robot drives around, the wheels scrub the surface of the soil, damaging pre-emergent weeds.
Turtle doesn't need to pull weeds because it chops them every day. Even if a chopped weed sprouts again, Turtle will keep chopping it down until it runs out of stored energy and dies.
There's no mapping or programming required for Turtle. You put the robot in the garden, press go, and the robot takes care of the rest. Turtle uses Bluetooth to talk to the user's smartphone.
There's an app that accompanies Turtle. Through the app, you can learn about conditions in your garden and what Turtle has been doing.
Because Turtle cuts the weeds every day, the clippings are small, so they fall back onto the ground and shrivel up, returning the nutrients to the soil. To inform Turtle that you want to keep a small plant, you put one of the provided plant collars around the seedling. This lets Turtle know that it's a desired plant. Once the plant is larger, you can remove the collar if you like.
Turtle collects some energy even on cloudy days, and it uses its energy very carefully. Thus, it can keep operating through extended cloudy periods. Turtle is helped by the fact that weeds can't grow very fast when there's no sun.
Turtle can easily cover the typical garden size in the US, which is about 100 square feet. Given favorable soil conditions or sunny climates, Turtle is able to cover more area than that.
Turtle is round, it's short, it has four-wheel drive and extreme camber wheels. Those are all design choices that improve Turtle's mobility in the garden.
Turtle requires a barrier to keep it from wandering away from the garden. This could be the edge of a raised bed, a chicken wire fence, or some other type of border.
We've been developing Turtle over the past 2 years, constantly testing, prototyping, and iterating to make the best product that we can. We need your help to bring Turtle to production. With your support today, you can be one of the first to have Turtle in your garden. Because weeding sucks, you should make a robot do it.
Anyway, it was 3 a.m. And then I was like, I didn't ask for them to come into the door.
Whoa! Did you see that?
What was that?
That was awesome.
I can't believe I didn't catch that.
Oh, don't worry, dude. You got it right there.
What is that, a dash cam?
No, that, my friend, is a Dride.
Dride?
Yeah, it's a dash cam with a share button. Anytime you want to upload a movie from your Dride, you just push the button, and it automatically goes to the cloud. Check it out.
Dude, I want to know more.
Okay. Well, first of all, Dride's the world's smallest cloud-connected dashcam. It lets you instantly share your videos with a click of a button. And the non-invasive camera is easily installed in any window, front or back, with a simple click-to-share design. And with one click, your recording is saved to your personal Dride cloud with unlimited storage and later can be shared or downloaded through Dride's app.
Where do I get one?
Well, they're not available yet.
Where the hell do I get one?
My cousin gave this one to me. You think it's being funded on Kickstarter?
Hey Kickstarter, I'm the founder of Dride and this is my Dride. 2 years ago, we had an idea to create a better driving community for everyone. Since we've created a huge community with hundreds of people that have helped us shape the future of Dride. Launching Dride Zero is our first step into creating better roads for everyone. Help us put a Dride in every car by backing us on Kickstarter today.
Activated by the water that you and I drink.
You'll be saying wow every time you use this towel.
The blanket that has sleeves.
When it comes to collaboration, nothing beats a big whiteboard. But after you've created your perfect diagram, what do? Take a regular old picture with your phone, an image you can barely read, sandwiched inside a giant album of unrelated photos. But with Rocketboard, you can capture and share perfect whiteboard images with the whole team in an instant. Rocketboard isn't some expensive new gadget. Just 4 magic stickers together with your phone turns any ordinary whiteboard into a rocketboard. Old whiteboards are white boring, but Rocketboard images auto crop and color pop, producing content more crisp and vibrant than the real thing. The Rocketboard app sees your beacons and connects to your whiteboard even from steep angles, so you've always got the perfect shot. Sharing ordinary whiteboards is normally such a hassle, but Rocketboards instantly blast your content to the place it belongs in the cloud services you already use. Inside the Rocketbook app, you can assign up to 7 shortcut symbols to a location within Dropbox, Google Drive, Slack, or many other services. Simply scan a Rocketboard and the app will automatically prompt you where to send it. so you can capture that customer meeting to a shared Google Drive folder, or blast that brainstorm with the team right to your Slack channel. To save even more time, jot down a couple hashtags next to your title and the app will digitally transcribe it to the file name. It's like controlling the internet with your marker. Looking to collaborate in real time? Whiteboards on webcams are blurry and shake, but with Rocketboard, it's a piece of cake. Simply select broadcast mode and your dry erase is in cyberspace. Just send out the unique URL and your Rocketboard is broadcast live so everyone in the meeting can follow along. And remember, Rocketboard beacons use restickable microsuction technology so they can easily be moved between boards and walls. Digital whiteboard products are over-engineered and overpriced. But order now and you'll get a set of Rocketboard beacons for only $12. Don't be a photo roll failure. Brainstorm like a boss. Strap your whiteboard to a rocket and blast off with Rocketboard.